So this will be another video in the ChatGPT image generator series that I'm sort of doing here. So here I dumped a bunch of images from a basement that is pretty destroyed. And I wrote design a beautiful basement entertainment space. Gave it the size, said what I need in it, floorings, couches, all that stuff, even a mini split unit. And this is the image it came up with. I had said in here wallpaper, black wallpaper that has thin white lines making triangles. I would say it nailed it. It's not exactly what I envisioned, but it did a pretty good job. Then I said, now show me a super high-end floor plan of the space. And I would say this is pretty good. It took the measurements that I gave it, which is really nice. It labeled it, which is nice. It's not exactly what's here, but pretty good. They got the plant in there, they got some lighting, so I think this is very nice. And then I said, make a new floor plan, minimalist, black and white, same idea, right? And again, this is not professional grade floor plans, but I also gave it a pretty light prompt. So we have that. Then I said, now let's take it to the next level. Source the materials. Give me a list of all the items, where to buy them, cost, links, any relevant info, and put it in a table. So you can see it gave me a bunch of images. Not all of them are spot on, but it has the split unit, it has the flooring, it has the couch or a similar one, and it gave me links and it gave me a list. And so if we actually click on these links, which I opened them up ahead of time, it's not exactly the triangle, but it's that black with the thin white lines. My guess is this company probably has something similar, and if not, at least it's a starting point. It went to Amazon, right? So it's not just random places. It went to Amazon and pulled a bunch of different options, and it said burnt orange sofa, which I think is a good way to go, right? Give you a lot of different options rather than just one specific link. Hardwood flooring, again, Home Depot, right? Like these are not small companies, right? And so you have these. If I pressed it and said I want the exact color and the exact style, I'm sure I could get that. But as a first shot, pretty amazing. Wall unit, wall mounted mini splits, same idea, right? And it's not going to necessarily give me the sizing, right? There are a lot of variables that go into sizing. So, and this is something I'd hire a professional to do anyway, but just to get a feel for it. I don't know this company, Durastar. This might be a big company, but that's what we got. I said, okay, what about the tables, the lamps, the rugs, the other, and so it gave me some more options. I do have a cat walking in front of me, apologies. And again, same idea, approximate cost, link, description, what it is. So for me, this is pretty successful and it's pretty amazing. I mean, I don't know if this is your style, but I think this is a really nice job. So hope this is helpful. Hope this gives you some more ideas of what can be done. Sure, for the real estate folks or the designer folks, this could be, good or bad, but something that is now in the space that you need to know about. Thanks.